Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to buy from Eldorado.gg GTA. First, go to the Eldorado website and make sure you're logged into your account. Now use the search bar to search for GTA. Browse the available GTA offers and compare the prices, platform, delivery time, and seller ratings before making your choice. Once you've found the offer you want, click on it to view the full details. Read the description carefully to see exactly what is included with the purchase, along with any delivery instructions or requirements. If everything looks good, click on Buy Now or Checkout. On the checkout page, review your order summary, select your preferred payment method, and complete the payment. If prompted, complete any required identity or payment verification before continuing. After your payment is successful, you'll be redirected to your order page. Use the order chat to communicate with the seller and receive your GTA account or delivery details. Once you've received everything and confirmed it matches the description, click Order Received to complete the transaction. If you experience any issues with the order or delivery, use the Raise a Dispute option from the order page to contact Eldorado support for assistance. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.